Here we are in Royal Caribbean, Oasis of the Seas, Stateroom 10184. And what is this?
Oh,
we got something special going on here. Let's see what we got. Oh, and our room is decorated, guys. This is really nice. Boy, Royal Caribbean rolling out the red carpet to us. Gotta love that. Here we are, got the restroom to the left. Your light is always on the outside, and let's see what it looks like. This is a balcony cabin, guys. Take a look in here. They have the glass doors, which are very nice. No shower curtain. The nice glass doors. This is a little different than our last one. We were on a handicap accessible boardwalk facing balcony on the last Oasis ship. Restroom, storage. Very nice. Always watch your step. Turn the light out here. See the lights. We got AC control right here next to the door. Your emergency exit information is all here on the back side of the door, much like a hotel room. Moving forward, got a little rack here, a little shelf, some places to hang a lanyard, some artwork. Here we go, the queen size bed. If you look over here, you will see the safe, and we have plenty of storage, plenty of closet space. Very nice. Moving forward, you have a seating area and a desk. The TV, I believe this TV will flip out. Okay, so you can see it from the bed, which is nice. Oh wow, nice. They left us a bottle of champagne. Very nice. Very, very nice. And we will show you the balcony next. All right, pull the curtains back, and what do we have? Well, right across the way, you can see New York a little bit. It's kind of cloudy today. If you look, here's a handle for the door. This is a sliding door. It shows you how it operates right here. Also warns you of the tripping hazard, which, believe it or not, I've tripped many times going out on a balcony on a cruise ship. Very nice. This is a full-size table. I really like this, guys. This is a nice touch. You could actually eat out here, and it would be very nice. I cannot remember the last time we had a cruise ship that had a table that was at this height, which is perfect for having like continental breakfast, room service breakfast in your room, maybe late night pizza out on your balcony. But here's what we're looking at. It's an overcast day here in New Jersey. Unfortunately, sometimes it rains, right? So that's what we're dealing with today. So let's go back in. Here's what it looks like from the balcony, looking back into the room. Very nice. It's a beautiful room. Very, very nice. Okay, the charging situation, if you look right here, they have a multi-outlet. I do not see any USB ports. Now keep in mind, this ship was originally built in 2012, so USB ports were not a thing, but you see there's plenty of storage here. See what the fridge looks like, guys. Oh, it opens right. Oh, look at that. It opens up with the door. They got it attached to the door. So when you go like that, it opens up. They actually call these coolers. They're not your typical refrigerators like you have at home. And here we go. We have hair dryer, some Kleenex, some storage. Got a nice full-size chair, which you usually don't see on a cruise ship. It's usually a little stool. No USB ports next to the bed, which is to be expected on a ship that is this old. But I will tell you, for a ship of this age, it is very, very nice. It does not look old at all. It looks like it's been well kept, and I do believe it was refurbished recently. So with that said, we will talk to you soon. Bye.